Hi, welcome to a quick demo of automated installation of NoPorts onto Google Cloud Platform. So I'm starting here from our cloud installation guide for GCP. And the first thing I'm going to do is just grab hold of this script using the copy button in the documentation, because I can then paste that in and modify it as I go about launching my instance. I've already signed into the GCP console here and gone to create an instance. And so let's start out with naming it. So I'm going to call this one GCP NP1 and mess that up. GCP NP1, and I'm accepting most of these defaults. I don't need a machine that's that big, so let's just go for a little shared core micro, and I'm going to keep scrolling down, accepting all of those defaults until I get to advanced options. And within those advanced options, let's go into management, and it's got here the box for automation and the startup script. So I'm going to paste the startup script in there. If I go up to the top of the startup script, there's the lines that I need to edit. So I'm going to edit these lines to put in the correct @signs. So in my case, I'm going to use my CP Swan @sign for the client. I'm going to use bare indoor netball for the device. And the device name I'm going to keep consistent with the VM name. So I'm going to call this one GCP NP1. And my OTP, and I've set a semi-permanent key of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that should now be ready for me to hit the create button. All right, so that's in the process of spinning up, and it's going to take a couple of minutes. So I'm going to pause recording here and be right back. Okay, welcome back. So we can see now that the status of that VM is running, so it should be good to go. And if I go back to the documentation, I can see that after the VM has spun up, we need to approve the APCAM key using a line like this. So I've prepared that already in my shell. So @activate approve using the @sign bare indoor netball for the namespace NoPorts with the device name GCP NP1. Let's hit enter on that, and that's connected, and it's done the enrollment approval. So what that means is the key that's needed by the daemon will now be available. The daemon will have been repeatedly restarting, waiting for that key, and so I should now be able to sign in to NoPorts using the NoPorts client. So I've already prepared a command line for that. So we can see we're using shnp from my CP Swan @sign to my bare indoor netball @sign with the device. I need to fix that of GCP NP1 using the rendezvous point in Europe, the user NoPorts, and I'm using the send flag for the -I key for my ED25519 key. What that's going to do is copy the key into place so that I can sign in using the NoPorts account that's just been created as part of the automation. So let's hit enter on that. And the NoPorts client is doing its thing and connecting up. And there we go. I've got a command line available to me on that machine. Thanks for watching.